Hello, this video is to show how to import a CSV file to Quicken 2013 by converting to QIF file using ProperSoft CSV2QIF utility. To download CSV2QIF, go to propersoft.net/CSV2QIF. You can purchase on the product page, you can download trial. Also, if you purchased before, you can use this link to download as well and register with your registration code, and there is also Mac download. There is also sample CSV file you can download that will help you try the application, or if you need to know how the CSV file should look like, or Excel file, you can download this file, open in Excel, and it will give you a great idea how the transactions should look like in your CSV file before you convert them. Now we're gonna import QIF file into Quicken 2013. This application imports QIF files, correctly prepared QIF files into all account types, and we're gonna import into a Royal Bank Chequing Account. When you start CSV2QIF, point to your CSV file. When you open CSV file and CSV2QIF, look for things like date, amount, payee, memo, check numbers, category. So they all are in proper columns. The transaction tab shows how the converter understands your file. So if amount is not in place, or dates are not expected, or payee not assigned, click Review Mapping and reassign those columns. Now, the amount should be negative for expenses and positive for deposits. Some credit card companies supply CSV files with expenses as positive numbers and payments to the account as negative number. For those files, you can use button Change plus minus once per file to reverse the amounts. So when you click it, make sure the amounts for expenses are negative and for payments to the account are positive. So like in this case, we have to revert it just for example purposes. Another thing before converting to QIF file is to select correct target. For Quicken 2013, we have to select Quicken 2014 or earlier. It is important to select this specific target because it creates different QIF files depending on QIF target. The file for Quicken 2015 is different than the file for Quicken 2014 or MS Money file. There's different date formats, there's different sections, and this selector is provided to easier for you to just choose application you're importing into. Another important is account name and account type, but account name is the most important. You have to enter account name as the account name you have in Quicken. So if you want to import into Royal Bank Chequing Account, then you have to get this name and enter it in the converter. How to get this name? You can go to Edit Account and just select it and copy Go back to converter and paste. So this is the name that will be used in QIF file. So when Quicken looks at QIF file, it will find account name and will try to find account that matches that account name. Convert. Save. Yes. I'll switch to Quicken. Go to File, Import, QIF file. Browse for the QIF file. Import and select all accounts. Important, ignore this message. Click Import. It shows message that QIF import is successful. All 4 transactions are imported. We have 4 transactions here. We have 4 imported transactions. And it imported under Royal Bank Chequing Account as expected. The transactions have to be accepted. So, but you can review them here as well. There's Payee. Memo is not shown, you can see it later. Date, check number, this is withdrawals and these are deposits as expected. And click accept all and you can see deposits here, payments are here. Memo is shown as well, Payee, check number and category. Thank you.